Yeah, you're right with that game, asphalt. I'm not on the level of racing against people yet. I don't have a team, and I'm just racing the computer right now. That is a computer. That is not a person I'm racing a computer. Now you're putting it like it's a person, but it's a computer. It's not a person, but it's a computer. You can play against a computer. It's racing against the computer, not your ass. You know what I'm saying? You jump in and then try to slow my game down and act like we playing against each other, but you ain't on my game. And that's a computer. Thought you knew.